This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever, located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the screws that hold the two halves of the air filter housing together. Pull the cover away to release the locating tabs at the rear, then lift the cover up. Noting how the filter is installed, remove the air filter element from the housing. Clean out the air filter housing and cover of all dust and debris before installing the filter. Install the filter into the housing, making sure it seats correctly. Install the filter housing cover into the housing, making sure the tabs are inserted in the slots in the housing, then lock it in place by tightening the retaining screws securely.